All right, ladies, we just talked about comparing numbers, but we were using, what is this called?
Hundreds chart.
We were using a hundreds chart for our strategy, right? Because we were comparing two-digit numbers. But now we're going to move on to three-digit numbers. But I still want to tell you, we're going to use the same symbols, okay? Malaya, every time I see this symbol, what am I going to say?
Less than.
Less than. Can you tell me, what do you see on this symbol that helps you understand that it's a less than symbol?
What helps me understand is that I didn't know what the symbol is, so I looked at the word and then it told me the answer.
Okay. What if the word's not there? What do you remember? It starts what?
You have to remember that that's less than and that's greater than.
Okay. So whenever you read from left to right, you see this part first. So if it starts small and gets big, it's a
Less than.
yeah. And Lexi, tell me about this one. If it starts
And it starts big
and then gets,
and then gets small.
what symbol is it? It's a greater than symbol. And everybody together, what is this one? Equal to. All right, good job. So this is a new thing. So I'm going to teach you how to do it first, okay? We have place value charts. And we have place value discs, okay? So we're going to build a couple of numbers here, okay? Let's build, can you read this number? 363. When you see this number, you will always say this number followed by 100. And when you see this number, you always say this number followed by T, like 6T. And when you see this number, you'll just say the number, okay? 363. So let's build 363.
300.
Very good. So go ahead and put your hundreds on the hundreds part of this chart right here. Good. How many tens are you going to need, Lexi? Very good. And they're going to go in which place? Yep. So go ahead and put them there on your chart. Put them in the tens place. Good. And how many ones are you going to need? 3. You're marvelous, marvelous. Good. That works. And Malaya, can you read this number for me? Beautiful. 333. Let's build the number 333 underneath the line.
Oh my gosh, it's the same number.
Very, very good. I know that they are the same amount of chips in every column, but are they worth the same amount? No. Good.
Is it going to be raining?
Yes, it's supposed to rain all day.
It rains often on this.
Okay, when you are comparing three-digit numbers, you always start in which place? Do you know?
Ones.
Ooh, I'm glad that you said that. When you're adding, you always start in the ones place. But when you compare, you always start in the biggest place. So, which one's the biggest place?
100.
The hundreds. So let's take a look at the hundreds place. How many hundreds are in 363? How many hundreds are in 333?
3.
So we have 300 and 300? So what is a comparison that you could write about 300 and 300? You guys talk. Oh, you guys talk. Go. Pushing your hair on everything. What is a comparison statement that you could write about 300 and 300? Talk to each other. Go. What symbol could I put in here to make this true? Go. Talk to her. Back with me in 3, 2, 1. All right. Malaya, what is a comparison statement that you could write to make this true? Okay, can you read that to me loud and proud? 3. I don't see a plus sign. Do you see a plus sign? Okay. Beautiful. Good job. Good job. So can we do anything with that? Can we write a symbol yet for these two numbers? No, because 300 and 300 are the same, right? So we're going to keep going. Let's look at our tens place, okay? Stack up the tens on the first number like pancakes. Yeah. Stack up the tens like pancakes. And now put the bottom number tens next to the top number tens. What can you tell me? What do you notice? Let's practice that sentence, Tim. I noticed that. What do you notice? Talk to your neighbor. Go. Use that sentence, Tim. I noticed that. Your turn. All right, back with me. There we go. Malaya. Remember, you can say something you said, or you can say something you heard someone else say. Okay? Use the sentence, Tim, for me. I noticed that. Very good. That one has 3, and the other one has 6. So which one has more? 6. Very good. So whenever we're going through, if we stop here and we notice that one is bigger than the other, then we don't need to go any further because we have found out which one is bigger, right? Okay, so write this number here. Now we're going to do the next part of the strategy. Write this number here and this number here. And we're using this sentence stem today. Let's practice this sentence stem, please. You ready? The numeral blank is blank the numeral blank. Lexi, what's numeral a fancy word for? Very good. Numeral is a fancy word for number. Good job. All right, so we have chipped it. We have written it. Now what, Malaya? What's our strategy tell us we need to do? Symbol it. Go. We've compared it. We got it right here. Okay. Who is going to do my sentence stem? Malaya! Go for it. Oh, when you say this number, you say this number followed by
the new 100 is,
this is a 3.
the new 50, the new
What place is this? What place is this in on the chart?
100.
Hundreds. So you're going to say 300. Okay?
The new 363 is greater than the new 100.
That's not a 1. What number is this?
100.
No. What place is this? Okay. So you're going to say 300. Okay, let's try that again. I want you to practice reading the numbers. Let's read it all together first. You ready? The numeral 363 is greater than the numeral 333. You ready? Say it.
The numeral 300 is, the numeral 300 is, the numeral 363 is greater than the numeral, the 383.
Very good, ladies. All right. Thank you so much for building numbers with me today. Go ahead and put everything back where it goes.